Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to share a long video on WhatsApp status. Normally we know that under 30-second short video we can share on WhatsApp status, but in this video I'm gonna show you how you can share long video on WhatsApp status. Which video is longer than 30 seconds. You can easily share these types of video in one status. So before that, please do subscribe our channel and also hit the like button of this video. So let's start the video. First of all, we need to install a application. So open Play Store and search here WhatsApp Sega. After that, open this app and install it. As you can see, I have already installed this application, so I'm gonna open it. Now for sharing your video, here click on video status, then select your long video from your gallery, then click on open. As you can see, this video is about 6 minutes long. So for sharing, now here click on share to WhatsApp, then click on WhatsApp. Now select here my status and click on this arrow. As you can see, it makes several part of this video under 30 seconds. Here click on share icon and click on send. As you can see, our all video is uploading with several parts. If I go to my status, you can see uploading is completed. Like this way you can share long videos on one status. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of important video. Thanks for watching this video.